Stative verbs. Have you ever noticed that some verbs just seem to reject the friendly ing suffix? In the continuous tense, we add ing to most verbs to show they're happening now, but there are rebels who refuse to join the party. Let's crack the code and understand why. These verbs are like observers, describing states of being or feeling rather than actions. Since states don't really flow like actions, they can't be used with ing in any continuous tense, like believe, belong, hate, know, like, love, need, down, seem, understand, want, and some more. Let's practice. Listen to the next examples. Pause the video. Write the correct form in your notebook, then check it. I'm wanting a cup of coffee. It's your turn to write. Then you can check. I'm believing in aliens. It's your turn to write. Then you can check. She's having a beautiful car. It's your turn to write. Then you can check. We're liking pizza for dinner tonight. It's your turn to write. Then you can check. The present continuous tense emphasizes ongoing actions happening now or around now. Stative verbs, on the other hand, describe states that exist regardless of time. They're like permanent markers on a whiteboard. They might change eventually, but not in the way an action unfolds over time. Exceptions. There are a few exceptions where stative verbs can use ing. First, to show a temporary change in their state. She is usually confident, but today she's seeming nervous about the presentation. Temporary lack of confidence. He usually appears calm, but right now he's appearing agitated because of the traffic. Temporary state of agitation. He usually loves spicy food, but right now he's hating this curry because it's too hot. Temporary dislike. I usually believe him, but right now I'm not believing his story. Temporary doubt. She usually thinks positively, but right now she's thinking negatively about her performance. Temporary negative outlook. Second, as a noun. Singing is my hobby. Swimming is a great sport. Drawing a car was the instruction. Your writing needs a correction. I want to attend a cycling class. Third, as an adjective. The buzzing sound is annoying. She looked stunning in her new dress. The baby's constant crying was driving me crazy. The room smelled disgusting after the garbage incident. He felt burning after eating the spicy food. The key to using ing in the present continuous is to show actions that are ongoing or happening around the present moment. If it's a state of being, the base form might be a better fit. With a little practice, you'll be a master at identifying which verbs deserve the in treatment in the present continuous tense. If you have any questions about these action-packed verbs, don't hesitate to ask. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.